Countertop and wall organizer designed to hold forks, knives, and other utensils. Slim, space-saving design appropriate for narrow areas. Divided compartments for easy organization. Durable ABS plastic construction. Multifunctional design can be used in other areas of the home for small item storage organizing. Can be easily dismantled for cleaning. Wipe down with a damp cloth. Amazon Basics countertop wall organization for utensils. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job very nicely. It's a simple thing really, but is perfect for my needs. Kitchen has one of those trendy tiny round draining boards, so hardly room for anything on it. Especially nowhere to easily put cutlery, so this item does the job. Sits nicely next to it against the wall. Has rubberized feet that keep it from moving around much. Different height compartments are just right for spoons, knives, forks, etc. The inner unit has holes at bottom allowing it to drain excess water into the base. You can then separate the inner and outer units to throw away excess water, clean it. Happy to recommend this.